Yeah, they're all pumped. They pump 24 hours a day over there. The pumps are underwater. That's insane. Especially if it came overnight like that. Jesus. Holy rats.
Oh my God, it's right up to the bank.
Holy fuck. Holy fuck, there it is.
Oh my God. Holy Hannah. That is scary.
They could have avoided this fucking happening by building up the walls over there to let so the water could come in.
Shit.
That's Av's fault for not building that fucking building their levels up more along where the water could come in.
Yeah.
They should have built it up.